Hi there and welcome. I am the Technician Project, and today's tutorial is to show you how to import images and videos into iMovie. If you haven't used iMovie before, iMovie is a piece of editing software that allows you to edit video clips or still image clips into a movie project. And we want to create a new project today. Create new movie. Once you've created your new project, there are three main areas within iMovie you need to have a look at. Top left is your import window, top right is your quick view window, and the bottom section is your arrange window. We now want to import files into iMovie. Import media. We're going to select it from our desktop and we're going to choose the JPEG image. As you can see, the JPEG image is now in your import window and it tells you that it is a photo image. We now want to import a video file. So we go to this import button here and we're going to import from our desktop again the mike.snorkel.mp4 file. Now in the import window there is a black circle on the MP4 file you've just imported. Once that goes white, it tells you that the file is fully imported and is ready to be edited. We're now going to click and drag our image file into the arrange window at the bottom to start our video. It's as simple as clicking on the image file, waiting for the yellow box to appear around the file, and click and dragging it to the bottom arrange window. The next one we're going to import is our video. And we're going to click and drag just the same as the image file into the arrange window. You have now fully imported both files into the arrange window. Tune in next time for video editing techniques. If you enjoyed the video today, please leave a like rating and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.